Good morning, everybody. The time is currently 4:30 a.m. Thanks for joining me in another travel vlog. Let's get to it. Well, after two pretty long flights, as well as a 5-hour drive, we finally landed in Bozeman, Montana. Going to be visiting Glacier National Park starting tomorrow bright and early. Time to get some sleep. It's 9 o'clock here, but 11 o'clock in my hometown. And so I'm actually feeling a little bit more tired, even though I really shouldn't be at this point. But I'm a little bit behind from the time change, so we're definitely gonna go to bed, wake up early tomorrow, and get a head start on the day, visiting the national park, doing some hiking, doing some mostly drive-by scenic routes, pull-off, stuff like that. So let's get to it.
And how you make me smile, and how you make me smile, oh yeah. And how you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you.
A brisk 43 degrees as we wake up this morning and start hiking some trails. And we'll keep showing the views and hopefully see a lake with a bunch of these different colored rocks, which I'm going to try and get a video of as well. As I'm sure you could tell, day 2 was super eventful. It was really awesome to see all the stuff we did. We went on a mini hike, got a little bit of food, saw a lot of the mountains. The view for our lunch was absolutely spectacular. I'm completely blown away by how amazing and beautiful this actual national park is. Seeing it in person versus seeing it online are two completely different things, because the pictures truly don't do it as much justice as seeing it with your own 2 eyes. More things to do tomorrow and an even bigger day coming up. We've got some longer hikes and some off-roading, hopefully some swimming and hiking and eating on the lake and, you know, snorkeling and whatever that may be tomorrow. But we'll see what that entails. Right now we've got to get going to bed because it's currently 10 p.m., which means it's midnight at home, and I have to get up at 6 a.m. or 8 a.m. back at home. And so my time schedule is a little bit different here, but I still need to get my full 8 hours so I can be well rested for our big day tomorrow. a super eventful morning, waking up at roughly 6 a.m., going on a 2.5-hour hike, then driving to lunch at something called Red Rock, where we were able to do a little bit of swimming, but it was probably about 40 degrees in that water, so it was really chilly. Didn't really do much besides go up to my waist, but we had a nice lunch there, get to sit on the rock. You saw a cool little underwater clip. It was really beautiful moving water, waterfall, kind of flowy river, which was really awesome. Then we just drove back. Now it's time to head to the pool, do some actual swimming, where the water is a little bit warmer than 40 degrees, so I can actually go up maybe all the way to my head or under, as opposed to just my waist. And then I'll be back, probably just gonna hang out for the rest of the night. Not much today for the rest of the day. Otherwise, I'll see y'all tomorrow. And after that, as you saw at the end of the day, we did that morning hike. We did that trip on the lake at the end of the day. I had over 10,000 steps for, I think, the 4th day in a row. Super excited. It was such an amazing trip, and thank you all so much for joining me. Now we are back home. I didn't vlog my trip back home because I already did my way there, and it was just a couple more flights. And now we're back home. Got to get back into the college mode, so I'm going to start posting more of these long-form videos as opposed to so many shorts, which I had during the summer just because I had so much time on my hands. I thought I would do that because things weren't as exciting and I didn't need to make so many long-form content videos, but we're getting back into it, so there will be a little bit of a change of content. Other than that, thank you all so much for joining me. Don't forget to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos I have coming. Other than that, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.